Hello friends. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to use ultrasonic sensor with ESP32. Ultrasonic sensor can be used for measuring the distance. We are using Wokwi Simulator for this. Later we will try to simulate water level controller using the ultrasonic sensor. Let us add ultrasonic sensor to our design. Let us see the details about this sensor. See the pinouts. Copy the sample code for ultrasonic sensor and paste it into the code area. Let us do the connection part for our design. Add VCC and ground to the design. Connect VCC and ground to the sensor. Connect echo pin to ESP32S25 and trig pin to pin 26. Now edit the code and set the sensor pins as per design. We are ready for simulation. Let us vary the sensor values. The ultrasonic sensor values vary from 0 to 400 cm. The values printed on serial port are represented in terms of cm and inches. And conversion factors are as shown in the code. Now you have seen how the values are varying between 0 and 400 cm. Now using this ultrasonic sensor we will try to create design for water level controller. For that we will add 4 LEDs along with resistor. The LEDs will indicate low, mid and high levels in a water tank. The fourth LED will indicate the motor status. We will also add relay to drive the motor LED. Now connect the LEDs to the ESP32 port pins. Connect relay control pin to ESP32 port pin as shown. Connect NO contact of relay to the fourth LED. This LED represents motor status. Connect common of relay to ground signal. You can connect motor connection to the relay contacts like common and NO. Now write some code. Define pins of ESP32 connected level indicating LED and motor LED as shown. Set the pin mode for LED pins in the Setup section. Now write the logic for sensing the levels of water in the tank using values of ultrasonic sensor. We will use centimeter values. If level value is less than 100, then consider this as low level. And make LED for low level on and start the motor. Next, if level value is more than 200 and lesser than 400, then consider it as mid-level, make LED for mid-level on. If level value is 400 or more, then consider it as high level. And make LED for high level on and turn off the motor LED. Start the simulation. Rectify the errors if any. Now simulate the code. You can see as the level value is 0 or less than 100. The low-level LED is on and motor LED is turned on. Let us increase the level value slowly. When the level exceeds 200, then the mid-level LED becomes on and motor LED is still on. When level reaches 400 or above, then high level LED is on but motor LED is still on, means there is some error in the code. Now it's time to rectify the error. Error rectified. Start simulation again. Now things are okay. Let us now empty the tank. So now tank is empty and motor is started. So that's it for today. In this video we have seen how to use ultrasonic sensor. And it can be used to implement water level controller. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please hit like button. Please share this video with your friend. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again. And have a good time.